In this Revizto training session, we'll be focusing on the synchronization and share functionality inside of Revizto. Up at the top, any changes that have been made inside of Revizto can be synchronized up to the cloud and shared to any of our team members. All we have to do is click here, and any changes that we have made will be synchronized up to the cloud project. Under the Share tab, this is where we can share with individuals via email address. As you can see here, anybody inside the license will be automatically popped up, or if we want to go with an outside email, we can just type in that email here. As you can see, once an email is added, that user is added, and then we can specify an access level. The access level controls what type of rights this individual has in the project. So if we want to give them project manager access rights, we can choose that preset for that access level. If we want to manage what happens inside of this access level, we can choose Manage Access Level, and we can see exactly what this user has the capability of doing inside of this project. If we want to add capabilities here, we can simply add capabilities by toggling on the box, and maybe we can save this as a new level, such as Project Manager Extended. Once I proceed, whenever I go back out to this access level, you'll now see that that new access level is available to be assigned to these different users. As I come down into the user list, I can see the access level of each individual user, and I can change that however I would like to fit what we've set in our preset up here. If I'd like to see information about a user here, I can click on this Information tab, and without going into the access level, I can actually see what they have the ability to do and what they are locked out from being able to do. Once this email is sent and we click Invite, that person will receive an email letting them know that they've been invited to the Revizto project, and if they are not a user yet, they will also get an email that will allow them to establish their account.